How to fix your game requires a system restart to play error in Valorant. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First head to your desktop and locate Valorant icon. Right click on it, select Properties, go to Compatibility tab, click the box that says Run this program as administrator. Click Apply and OK to save your changes. Now relaunch the game to see if the issue is resolved. If not, you need to move on the next step. For that, you simply need to close Riot and Valorant processes in Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete or search for Task Manager in the Start menu. In the Task Manager, you can use the search bar at top to look for Riot and end any related task by right-clicking and selecting End Task. Do the same for Valorant processes. Once everything is closed, proceed to the next step. Open the Start menu and search for Run. In Run dialog box, search services.msc and press Enter. Scroll down and find the service called VZC. Double-click on it, set the startup type to automatic and click Start and press Apply and OK to save your changes. You need to go back to Task Manager and click on Startup Apps tab. Scroll down to find VZ Tray, right-click on it and select Enable. Restart your computer and then your issue will be resolved. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.